Good morning, Madam Punama, Honorable Ministers, and the spokespersons, government, and media, yes, Manipur situations, the issue any kakta, Amana Editor Guild India ki nena haibama toroga report ma social media da kari da fact finding team mena toroga am tholakpa damana yam sensitive issue sida mara more da kuki spokesperson moi amana kai kolal hoki baba ana mai dei sa ko ya krui ga na to ba ba dei kra sumai thamning ra ko jibani ahan bada manipur ki chithoi ba issue si crisis si की complexity aduga mashi ki yamna makhata ba maru report mayam ama Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji na parliament ta tham khribani adu despite of that some vested interest group Karana had the Magi Animba Pamada fact finding team ni guy at the Tonjalaga self style had the conclusion be with the Bugumba Achapa made the key as in the Dona Togo Port Krasi Mashi Manipur government side tiki, the Manipur Praja side tiki. Awang bathak they could condemn to it. Mamang the guy they know my leader Nupi Ani Raja, Moy Amanila Kana Unaramano Kande Aduga Heta state sponsor ni Hiramagum Adagi Narang Nahandi, Editor Gilgisi, Moy Karai Dalaga Kana Unaramano. Hector Mashida Saranga Turanga Kogi, lady, but victim more later. Bot community. Nimayama Shinadana, Lapam Sabham later than a relief came the Awa Anata and later, but Tamshida, Moina Sugumba, Yamna evidence Yalda, proof later. Portka the basis where Kanda. Community ma de maran thangjen ba maithei de maran thangjen ba or kaino da government de maran thangjen ba or community ma de maran thangjen ba ki to buse masi government line no de aduna hanagi lamba moigi leader CPI gi Ani Raja amad moi lamba duga ada sala ganda press ka to ba Madugi Matate Koi, Chapsap legal election loan and a FIR to raise man in the FIR number 585 of within bracket 7 2023 Infal Piesta. Similarly, Narangi Nahangi Editor Gilki Laima Posi Editor Gilga Arkanda Equidi Yam academician. Aduga yam balance puba intellectual group na gata ubrai na khale da moi kharashidi akoi mina lair ga satwa ya aduga kangu ma lai ne pelo ani moi gi che khar phangi donation ga tawgi che donation hapiu ga in torga tawba means aina masi haile si kari guna ha kanda moina numi asok sathina soiba sinariba wanariba mayam sigi kamaina horakuno ba karino ba pochungin yengdan moina madugi proof phangele koida le asengba thogdok du kramaina thokibano khange haragadi koida le adu masi koi government mina le karigino Supreme Court highest apex court ki magi supervision makhada committee mayam ma semi Bharat Sarkar ki adumba Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Union Home Minister ki makhada retired Chief Justice sama hapaga kramai to gunu karino kisi thawam si thigal ipa hogre but in the meantime yam sub judice hoiba yam credit loaning ba adu Manipur sta moina irang thoning bagi pamba thoiba irang cha moina saw thon ba pamba gi mawong da editor gil na tor pusi akoi nungaite adu akoi sibu moina kari wena khange haiba question number so I am asking this question who are they editor gil gi members du kananu how far they know about the notice how far they know about the Manipur history how far they know the complexity of the situation without knowing any complexity in the ground reality, how they can come to the in that there is this. Supreme Court na, Honorable Supreme Court na, amadi Bharat Sarkar na, same na committee mayam ama torokanda, kramaina torokono karino karai deki torokono si thiraga leiringai maraksida, moina sumaina judgment pibagi mongda ga tobusi highly condemned away, adu moigi mathakda koi FIR pale, moi a complaint against under the below accused for commissioned offence punishable under section 153A oblique 200 oblique 295 oblique 298 oblique 505 oblique 505 clause 1 499 oblique 120 Dias B IPC 66 Dias A ITA and bribery. Midi Kanakanano, Sima Guha, Editor Guilds of India, presently Mazi Rafi Makalai, Aduka Sanjoy Kapoor, Editor Guilds of India, presently Ma Force Masu, New Delhi Dani, the Bharat Bhushan, Masi, New Delhi Dani Masu, Aduka, the President Editor Guild of India, Haiba, Aduka, the President, the Maming, President is Guild of India, Yav the Karo Editor Guild of India. High river Makoi Mari Sida Koi, high sections in Dimakada, FIR Fale, Karigi. May Sakuna Dosata Argaliba, Lavaxi, State Chibu, England Navimuta. Kudom be till the mother in Tau, Hapsel, the May and Sahana, one of them, Subsaba, Action Locat, I was in Makwilore, Aduka Kugi. Government Timothy Manipur Prozamiam is high ticket. We go awang bathap to condemn to it. Manipur don't come. If you don't know about the background and the history of the state of Manipur, please don't come and say anything. Before comments, you people have to understand the background of the present crisis. How it happens, how it created, who created it. Let the investigation be finished. Loikisunu tigali mayamdo. Honorable High Supreme Court ki, adagi Bharat Sarkar ki same commission. Loikisunu. Natuna sumaina hekta marakta la akanda tobusi ekoi condemned to a higher standard. Adu golona point by point. Aina loina hydrogasu point is the PD ba. How do Puntaraga Makai de Chochanpuda Iran Hobre, 10:30 AM the gate. Moi kind the Kande kind the Kanda message the Maduki proof playing on the document lay, video lay, WhatsApp key, evidence lay. The higher point and the most source the git here and the utopil defy. Adudinata for the Moina Hatters Minor, Togosia Koi. Numaite, Aduna, sukang khangdaba editor guild gi aduk chawa India gi editor guild gi member mo rakanda moina haiba reserve forest and protected forest area shi state government is chamber ni haina haiba sibu that illiterate moi editor or moi karino koi question hamni ge reserve forest and the protected forest is purely under the supervision of the India government. India ki 1927 ki forest Indian Forest Act ki makhada matam di unasal kana 1990 da Manipur da phong tawbe. Hariba India government ki reserve forest belongs to central government. Even single approval without approval at a single from the central government, state government can do anything here in the state. Even development also. Reserve forest ki lamma mai koi low ge ke loma sin nage water supply ki sage haira ba da koi center de ya low ne. Adu khang da editor guild ki members in the say the fact finding team ne la ga se sample hai ge moi se Indian Forest eki rule bau khang da Indian Forest eki niti niyom bau khang da moina Indian Forest eku birena la khung bro state government la khung bro reservation for forest reservation is the reservation can say reserve forest is the central government la khung kone protected forest mo gi rule gi niyom gi makha to kone adu phau khang da editor guild gi gang bu sina fact finding ne la aga sidai da akhoi gi marak sida thum thak ba yabra Thousand by Abra. I don't know, Moiki, Sugumba Poche, Yaman Numaite, I think eviction. Eviction the one community that open in winner. 60% say Manipur to buy again, honorary Pokango to be person there. Not a editor guild with pit or people. According to guide to the agreement 2015 the beginning. 15 dagina 23 fall the way yum kayam tugai yum summary the round going to Karaida reserve forest Karigi public ki general public ki kanana global warming the kanana poppy plantation the kanana siki mayam si dokan the say the kuki sinau yum the only yang kai mapan ratani only 59 Maitei Yung 143, Maitei Pangal 137, Jinno Nagasingi 38, Jinno Nepalese Jingi 36. So my state Sigi Pananaba, Bharat Nation Jigi Panaba, Global Jigi Panaba Pochmoina, one sided way in Urukanda, only community among the Gitugai, Veniga and a pyramid, but other editor guild. I come up with this Musamano. Moisi anti state neighbor moisi communal ki bhanam ka bala pakangu anti state anti national ki type moisi anti establishment bhanam ka bala pone sai ba moisi de gi hajen bala pone aduna adike amana photo do ubira mani khoi Twitter do de photo do la la sum thue migi forest office do community among for Maitharian. When a lady come down, I took the proof when a BBG with evidence, with photograph, video. Punkaya, the cry, the action, who get right attention, we can make Habo, Konokana, Karipu, driver, cry, the Pugi, the Yum Kanagi, Kanana, Maithagi, Karai, the Kari, the ways. Just we have got, Madam, I could state intelligence, central intelligence, I could visualize it. Why not with video lake with them? Adugumba proof, adugumba evidence, so young women, Kushi, Contour, Tobusi, I could Nunaite, Aduga, I could community, a Mabu, victim of a community. Shingu, Aranbatahana Bokonobasu, Ayaning there. Hoy, animal victim, but Hennas walk, Hennas walk the bully. The animal to Achumarani, and a kind of balance or in a penetrated over the community in Nibu, some man of a happy and kind of consult to Bigadabani, help to Bigadabani, Adunatana, Asako made the Gi Hazelagato was him, Young United, Aduna, sigi pochima ai strongest arm da nasi media gi sin out tang gai thambani aduga matung da su a Delhi dagi ni haidana Human Rights Commission gi ni hai lai Delhi da su human rights violation am tauri rape to ngarang mata da Rajasthan da naked nupi da sorok ta pui adu is a pregnant woman. Why Editor Gill is talking about it? What is happening in Rajasthan? What was happening in Bengal? 48 hours, the 48 people were killed in the Panchayat election in Bengal. Women were naked and paraded on the road. Nobody said anything. I think why Akugi media, national media also. Should they don't be any ELITETV to go to the mob? Mob is mob. Thousands the luck give a mob. Madutaki Nupi Masan Kanana Honor Torpaka and the video Kapoka. Can live a mission, you never appreciate. Was it high when Nupi Masani no pop Quiggy Samai Gidu the Nupi Masa, Nupi and ELITETV to go talking about we condemn it strongly. But Adubu can live up. My community sing to the imagine to the panic session laga, but kind of peace at the engine building, but you know what Habig about to humanity service to Budi. Nobody recognized. Why did not the Congress Party rise in the parliament? Adu Makan given to be Juyawi in the Karigi Hagitaba. Net Tauraga Pubiki having to milk the parliament boycott Ogungamba. Honorable Prime Minister who no confidence motion Tangatungamba. Adugumba, Equi Maiti, Janura Mayama Tokana, Imaibian Mayam Tokana, Narum Tokada, Nupi Masa Ani Kuki, Nupi Anidu, Kanbiraga, Putoga, Peace, and Birga Mayum, Yonabatin Gibadu, appreciation, Tausiana Karigi Parameda Hagatriba. One sided. Manipur music lady, we say the politics of our way. Politics of Vigano. Manipur Kanana will take Quimam. Manipuri Prajama and Gasit Henriba, I call me Gasit Henry Manipur Kanana. I quite unitely. Yes, government go civil society is in now sing, my bill sing. Government go reception Kitangly. Aina Kangasu in highway adaba. Aina Urasu in highway at Tambay adaba. Aina to Urasu in Kanto highway adaba matam lay. Matam sana mayamda aikoy thabang na ulakani aduna aikoy na ngangda ba aikoy na haida ba silana lobiganu sarkar ama pairubagi sarkar amada si minister ama warubagi mantri ama warubagi athom aron athom ngak pa haidana aikoy wasakpani aduna ada honorable prime minister na koy da wa mahiragasu honorable union minister home minister na wa mahiragasu mayamda loina hek tamba yadaba mayamanga puthoga khanaba yadaba Aduguma Mayama Masulay, Aduna my bill sing, Adu Marupa Mayam Punamak Civil Society, Mayam Punamak Punim Kada View Laiba can Bahibse, Equigi Amatangai Pandamni, Sarkar Siki, Sarkar Si Miam Vini, Miam di Sarkarni, Miam Gimuni Equi, the Miam the Pambagi against the Machit Amigi, Sutler with the Adugumba Nasasini, Nanausimni, Aduna Equi with Tazabu, I welcome Sima. I comes again. Anishu Buddha Narang Nasishu Tamil Singh Sahi my Horondagi almost head indigenous Mongatraku Queen Sahi Sakaya the Gila Tamil Sinau Sing Moreda Paisa Haiba Sing Si Pibungam Dragadi Moreda Tamil Salo High Media Damayawi. Aduga ngarang su kuki INPI gi spokesperson ni hai kai kolal hokip hai ma Tengnoupal District ni hai mana solution lakri ba wa mai dei sang loi kai na more da hai statement na mai thiam Masih, tahu mesti Manipuri history kang moy. Manipuri history kang bana di aduga Manipur gi asengba leibak singak pudi yorpa oiraga di madu ngangoi khangamoi mori adugi wangada cheliba chinwin river du adudani pai pu singna Gambir Singh Maharaj na Narsingh Maharaj na awaz singi sei tare khundakpa tantho buda thang sa mi hani dugi turin dugi adu mori dugi mamang na cheliba chinwin river du madu pa hakulal kai di hojiki kuki INPI gi mi sin khangjen kana gani aduga sup yamna sensitive oira matang sida Maitei sangba yani yaroi Tamil sakidamni chakloi gaina tauri budu would stop it. State government aikoi kitang community masel gi marakta aikoi masel gi marakta thokpani ko haira koi khara restaurant orga leibani si aikoi masel gi marakta yamna exaggerate honing da ba chokthok haning da ba kogi potak ngangning na chu ngangdana haining na chu haidana tawning na chu tawdana koi khanga ga misei targa aikoi da sairi me amche uji utarang gani ado masi targa khangi se makhasa na irang je chokthok chana ba makhata na michi mina thok tana ba madugi khanga ga koi leibani adra marak sida yamna noi lak kuncha mathoi ni thoi leiba Manipur ni chahi lising ani gi puari leiba adai da noi lising ani ong ga punjalaga chang ko ya de ga na lep ga da bu noi na lep ga da bu na te state government na yam chong na leidi madu makhata na adu ba language adu ma thawong to kanu adu ga madu ngarang gi thabak du khoi athu ba madu gi nipa do amni ma ga mari leina bising gi phana na ba khoi FIR ama lokhale the FIR number 1215 within bracket 9/2023 MRIs SPS under section 153A/153B/188 IPC hai bisiki makhada bisiki kuki INPI gi spokesperson hai dugi mathakta ekoi FIR mas local in the meantime Manipur gi mayam punamukta in appeal to jing mase koi thoki bana thokraga su makhata na mishimina aduga thogdo wa thok pam da busing thok dana ba koi kanna koi pun hona minase tawgada bu khudima constitutionally koi tawri tawki gani state government hai ki ba mitop khandok pa illegal immigration khandok pa ekoi lepte hujik su mayam biram gani koi biometric logba more da sandel da lepte central government dagi sigi September tha bau gi manung do loisal har kun do koi another 1 years kamatam bigo koi khun mayam ma thi gida wali khun mayam ma thi gida wali aduna another 1 years kamatam bigo ina koi madu gi city ibu loire state central government di Mizoram amani Manipur da illegal immigrants khanto ko gi thabuk si September tha ji bau gi manung do loyo na koi da instruction pirak ki bani media gi manung pang shi mani aduna koi another 1 year sama koi madu extension koi government gi logo dori aduga mayam na pam report koi takatna tawgani aduga area kharda birengi government sanga ku ngamroi aduga state government sanga ku ngamroi na popi am thaganari have information phangdabanate aduga hari biren government si central government ni central government na nang galai poni biren amadi bharat koi gi Manipur da leriba BJP gi sarkar aina lusing jabagi wani koi mayam amana pai minna bani community punam pai minna bani central da leriba Narendra Modi ji gi nisa mukta Bharat Manipur da war on drugs hai bani Bharat apumbagi nisa mukta Bharat movement ni war on drugs ni madid kanam da na thingmanga moi madu gi mayam da bipaina ba lebi ganu ekoi matam gi head information phungbaga army Assam Rifle commandos paramilitary forces state police senar kanda koi popi thaba thingba makha sathagani drug ki mayap da sathaba campaign koi makha sathagani sathari na wahung krasi ai mayam da thamjage haidana mayam kokjebani mayam da ge wai amani dan question aman
about this EGI report, it is a national importance because this particular report will be taken as a point of reference by all the fact finding things that will become together here. So it is a national importance one. So please clarify whatever you have.
Recently we have seen one report published by the Editor Guilds of India with some points. That is the reason why we are having press conference today. And the points which was raised and the comments by the Editor Guilds of India is highly condemnable, and we condemn it in the strongest term, because the Honorable Supreme Court has constituted many commissions, including led by the retired Chief Justice and many judges. And above that, the Government of India also constituted a commission of inquiry, headed by the one retired Chief Justice. Investigation is on in different way, in different place. But in the meantime, how the Editor Guilds conclude as a fact-finding team, who constituted them? Who constituted them? They never authorized to have the fact-finding teams and to investigate Manipur issues. It is a sad style and nothing to do with this present crisis in the state of Manipur. And I also giving warning to the Editor Guilds member. If you want to do something, please come to the spot. Please do visit here, see the ground reality, meet the representatives of the all communities, all victims, then you publish whatever you found. Otherwise, meeting some peoples, some section of the peoples, and coming to the conclusion that this or this, that is highly condemnable. That's why the state government has filed an FIR against the members of the Editor Guilds who are trying to create more, classes in the state of Manipur.
Sir, another question is about this appointment of Nectar Sanjanam as the Special Superintendent of Police. What is the need for creating this post, and what are the responsibilities that will be given to?
No, that is the prerogative of the state government. Nobody can ask question to the, because as per rules, as per norm, we are appointing. Just we need to keep our police personnel fit. So he will give more trainings, physical fitness to our police personnel here in the Pangai. Okay.
And further going to provide, to send state forces there in the morning, because they were stopped and taken over.
Why not? Why not? Already more than 200, 300 state forces are already in the morning. More forces is sending. There is no bar. The state forces can go everywhere inside the state. Nobody can stop it.
But there are also several organizations from the kuki telling us and threatening even you yourself. How would you take it first off?
No, I already predicted before the May 3, I predicted in my one public meeting, public function, this kind of threat will come, I know. Because the government is challenging with the group, the mafia groups of drugs gangs from the Golden Triangle area. So it is not easy, but we will not succumb under their pressure.
Unprovoking this thing, arms, attack has been going on in the various parts of the police of the state, non-stop till now.
No, you see, somebody is trying to break up the state, but our state force is enough to retaliate. We are retaliating. State government force is retaliating against those miscreants. We are taking action. We are not sitting idle. State government with paramilitary forces, army, Assam rifles, commandos, we are retaliating to the miscreant. We are hunting them down. Yesterday also 2-3 bunkers have been destroyed in the Tolbung. Today also operation is on in the Naransena area. Operation will be on and we will hunt them down. Thank you.
What will be the aim of the government regarding the problem faced by Tamils in Manipur?
Tamils. I already mentioned. No one will move out from the More. Full security will be provided to stay there. This Manipur, More is a part of India. Manipur is a part of India. We have to live together. No one can dictate to anybody. Okay? Thank you.
Mental health team regularly SNO Dr. Ranita everywhere on a daily basis kadai satke Tharaga not only everywhere across our state is the health, mental health, stress labor mayamse whether angang yours and the zole and a yam akan ba media ngamagal regularly adum queer sakpa hogiba sigisi we are yam akan ba media ngamachani sigisi regularly check
Jagmaki oina adugumba moi sindokpa khotokpa report laite moi hosi minister khara de adum kenoda e-file adum shuri adum shuba e-office adum shuri aduna any problem lagadi kenogi koigi constitutionally si minister adum file ko phalaga shuba su yaida adu bi problem laite adu hoji hoji moi su e-filing kali de shuri mina adu gi thank you, ma'am. Have a cherry. No. Action. Yung hujit kitang ay ngasaya siya kibodo. Kitang ako'y masin ngatan ina yan na exaggerate heno chawung toning dapat kayo kitang par ka yung agalay ba ni Adumaina migi yumbu hekta bulldozer nga takna ain law like tawdong tawbodo ikoi government tumini gi nga gale roi chap sabe action law bani FIR pan FIR di already phai law re chap sana matik sabe ka tam na yes tam na ikoi government chap san tar pan thank you